Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you have administrator access. This matters because many actions require elevation. Once done, take ownership of the file or folder, right-click Properties, Security, Advanced, change owner to your account. Make sure to grant full control for administrators and your user. Next, temporarily disable antivirus or any file-locking apps that intercept access. This prevents false denials. When you complete these first steps, you'll be ready for permission repairs and command line fixes without hitting early blocks. Now you use command line tools to repair permissions because GUI fixes sometimes miss inherited entries. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell, run takeown to claim ownership recursively, then use iCackles to reset permissions and propagate changes. For example, takeown/fc, \path/r/dy, then iCackles c, \path/reset/t/c. These commands force ownership and clear broken ACEs, which often cause access denied. Make sure to wait for completion and finish by restoring security settings and rebooting. Many permission changes take effect after a restart. Then attempt access. If it works, confirm by opening and editing a file. If not, check Event Viewer under Windows Log Security and System for access failure codes and object names. Those clues tell you which SID or process is blocking access. As a last resort, create a new local administrator profile and migrate data. This isolates profile corruption. If problems persist, document the error messages for targeted support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.